Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will discuss about how we can earn money from a fashion illustration, your graphic design and your flyers and much more things. So being a freelance designer, I can understand that getting dependent upon one platform becomes difficult to get work on a regular basis. So I generally get most of my clients from my Instagram page. I get my work queries through Instagram, and if I get dependent upon Instagram for all my freelance work, so it will become difficult for me to get the work on a regular basis. So you know that freelancing is uncertain. Sometimes you get 10 clients in a month, sometimes you don't get 2 3 clients. So like that way it is very uncertain to get the clients on a regular basis. So I try to build some passive income in the freelancing. Like for example, I sell my illustration templates, I sell my illustrations and the brushes, so which can help me like generate the regular amount of income. So I need to register on one platform for once, and people come and buy my illustration for their marketing gigs, for the different work and all. So like that way I can get the good clients and good, like you can say, the income on a regular basis. So if I need a bigger clients, if I need a project basis, so then I use a different ways to like earn money. So today I will tell you about one platform. So using this platform you can basically sell your illustration. So most of the platform in these like where you sell your graphic design charge you a certain amount of fee in starting. So it becomes like difficult for us, like starting creators, those who want to earn money be from illustration. So it becomes difficult to like pay some advance fee. So that's why I came across this platform. This platform will not charge you any fee for registering. So I will show you about this platform. You can register here, you can sell your graphic design, illustrations and flyers. So this platform is MasterBundle. It has a lot of categories in this. So you can sell your illustration, graphic design, and one good thing I found in this, that is a Procreate brushes. So if you are an illustrator, you make some brushes, so you can sell your brushes also in this platform. So you can sell brushes, you can sell your templates. If you are into graphic design, then you can send your flyers and you can make some bundles and also sell it. So I will show you about this platform properly in this video. So let's get started. I will share my screen and will walk you through about this platform, how you can register, what all things it has. Okay, so let's get started and let's register on this platform. This is a platform I was talking about, the MasterBundles. Okay, so here we have different categories. If you are like if you want to get into graphics, so you can see there are like icons, illustration, patterns, logo, badges, textures. So different things you can sell. For example, if you want to sell some t-shirt design, you can send some t-shirt design also. Here we have a different detailings and all. Okay, then we want to sell some badges, logo, patterns, like whatever looks you want to say here, like graphics, icons. There is a different fonts if you want to sell your fonts, add-ons. Like some interesting thing I have here is the Procreate brushes. You can sell your Procreate brushes here. There is a template. So a lot of detailings you have depending upon your skill set, like in what medium you basically work. You create some logos, you do some graphic design, so you can just get started with according to your work, whatever you want to do in this. And like for example, if I want to download some illustration from here, like I want to download this Halloween illustration, so I will just go here, like whatever illustration I want to download, I will just click on that illustration and I can see the details. Okay, so what all images we have here. Okay, any reviews, like those who have already bought the work from here can share their reviews here. Okay, apart from that, the one thing you see is a proper description is there. And there is a personal use case, there is a commercial, there is an extended version. So like if I'm a client, so I need to see if I want to buy for a personal use, if I want to buy for a commercial use and all. So you can just download from here, you can just buy now, and like this way totally it work. Okay, it's very simple, like for a buyer also and for like us like a users. Okay, and second thing, okay, yeah, one thing I told you about this, and you can just see why you have to use this platform, what all things this platform offer. You can just explore the platform for proper details. And for example, like if you are a new user, if you just want to register here, okay, so you will see the website like this way in an initial step. Okay, you have to basically sign up to the platform to get the details. So you go for a sign up option. Then it will ask for some your basic details, your name, number, your email ID, your password. So you mention your all the details and you can register to your platform. Okay, I've just done this basic process. Api, turn my account setup. So currently if I go to my account, I can see these three details are there. There is a vendor cabinet, there is a marketing thing, there is a buyer. So for example, if I buy something here, so it will be visible here. And if I want to recommend this product to someone else, so I will get some commission out of that. So I can use this partner option here. And there is a vendor, which is like most important for us because we want to sell our products here. So we can see this option here. Okay, so you have to go to the submit product, and then you can submit your product here. So you click here, so a proper portal will be there. So this is something called listing, where we list our product. So first of all, it will ask for the title. So for example, today I'm going to sell bridal illustration. Okay, for print design. So this thing is very important when you are like keeping the title, because when the title is catchy, when the title is related to your work, so automatically your work will come on the top. So that like that way you have to properly mention your title page. Okay, and there is also a video here where you can just watch this video. This is the platform video only, where you will basically get a proper idea how you can sell your products here with a master bundle. Okay, I've just seen the video. It is very interesting. You properly get the topic, what exactly this platform is and how you basically sell your products. Okay, then you have to add two preview pages, like a thumbnail thing. One thing you need to keep in your mind, that is the pixel size. The pixel size is 1100 by 1100. This is the pixel size you have to use, and the maximum image size will be 500 MB. Okay, 500 KB, sorry. So you have to use this size only. Okay, so you currently I have this bundle here. I will just put my images here. One, I've just designed the two images for a thumbnail. So like those who want to like see the my listing can see these two images, Abhi. Okay, so here if I want to apply more images, I can put it here. More images, and if you want to just include more and more images, you can just do it here. So here you have to put your final image, like after purchasing, what image will be visible to your clients. So for this you have to use the zip file only. So you have to get your PSD file, CDR file, or if you work with a Procreate, so Procreate file, and then you have to compress the file. Okay, here you have to upload the raw file so that those who are purchasing your work can get the good quality images. Okay, so when we are done, so here we can upload the Pinterest image. So this work will get marked over the Pinterest. So Pinterest image will be here. Then you have to put the description. Okay, I've made a description here. So description should be crisp and clear according to your work. Okay, just I mentioned looking for a unique bridal print. So this include for a floral motif. Okay, so we have to just give the proper description so that we can have a proper idea what exactly we are looking for our designs, what all things are there in this design. So you can just mention, okay, a basic detailing here. Okay, so you have done this listing here. Okay, so those who want to see your work can be like visible like this way. Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, so when you're done with this, then you can see what all detailings you have to do. Next, you have to add the category. Okay, so I want to get into the graphics. Okay, I want to get into illustrations, and I need to get into the base of the category. Okay, what exactly we have into our categories. Okay, so we can just find embroidery is our one category. India is also one category our, because this is an Indian illustration. So I'm marking India here. So you can mention the not much categories, just mentioned to be which is like very relevant towards your designs and all. Okay. Abhi currently I've mentioned these two only. I didn't find the bride, but yeah. Uh, okay, the bridal is not there. We can find the wedding also if we get. So like this way, you have to decide the category of your work, whatever you are putting in this. So it's very simple. Just do it like row, very simple. Okay, now you have to do this pricing. Okay. Abhi, if I just do the auto pricing, so it will just set the pricing according to the categories. Okay, we have the category here, so it will just mention it. Okay, so I don't want to sell at $10, Abhi. I'm just keeping, this is my first listing, so I'm keeping $8. For commercial, I'm putting like a $16 double amount, and yeah. So that's how I have done the pricing thing. Okay, it totally depends how much like money you want to get on your per project basis. So you can mention according to that, and according to like auto pricing is very good option, which I find. Okay, so then you have to mention ki what kind of file you are putting. So I'm putting PSD file. I will just select the PSD. Yeah, so I've just mentioned the PSD file I'm putting here, or like whatever files you want to put in this. So in my zip there was a JPG file, so I'm just putting JPG also. Okay, so what all things you want to put here, you can just put. If you want to add some privacy details, terms and conditions, so you can just mention over here. Okay, very simple. Now you have to go to submit. So it will take few moments and your design will be submitted. So I told you it is very simple. It is not charging you any fee for upfront, but it will charge you commission when you are selling to the product. Okay, it depends upon work or thing you do. Okay, but I have observed they generate on 50% commission on your sales. So it varies. You can just check on the pricing details on the website once when you register. But when you are initially starting, they are not charging any like upfront fee. Okay, so very simple. You list your product and you do like this. Okay, so I've just started using it. I will just keep on updating more and more products. So I will have a variety of like my portfolio, and it will be very easy for me to like see my products and everything. Okay, so if I go for my vendor details, so I can see. Yeah, so I told you, it charged like 50% commission. So anyone who will purchase this product can be like visible here. Okay, if I want to see my product, I can see the product like this way. I will attach the link of this in description, so you can see the listing. You can see the product in my portfolio. And second thing, those who are first 10 viewers, for them I will provide this project for a free of cost. So you can use a coupon code. You can get my this illustration free of cost. You can register on the platform also if you are a user. If you want to sell this illustrations, your prints, your designs. So it's very interesting. So it just mentioned created by me, the file size, the color option, and everything is mentioned here. So that's how it works. It is very easy to use platform. So I want you guys to explore the platform. There is a link below. So you can use the platform. You can use as a buyer if you want to purchase some illustrations and all. If you want to sell your work, so you can use this platform here. So it's very interesting. So that's how the today video was. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, do share your favorite moment in the comment section. And if you like it, do subscribe. I will be coming up more tutorials, more videos regarding the different platforms, how we can use the platform as a freelancer. So it is very interesting thing to understand. I hope you guys like the video. Thank you for the watching.